In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people or users to a Jira project. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, managing a team, or simply need to onboard new members, this guide will take you through the process step by step, ensuring you get it right every time. Let's begin by navigating to the specific Jira project where you want to manage users. This serves as your essential starting point. It's important to have a clear idea of which project you're working on. This clarity ensures that the right people have access to the appropriate resources and information. So, once you've logged into your Jira account, browse through your list of projects and select the one that you're interested in managing. Now move your mouse cursor over the project you'd like to add people to. As you do this, you'll notice some options related to the project settings appear. This is where you'll find the tools you need to modify the user list. The system is designed to be straightforward, and hovering over the project ensures that everything loads right away, making access easy and efficient. Next, focus on the horizontal 3 dots located next to the project's name. This is a key feature that provides access to various project settings and options. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal a context menu with several functions. For our purpose today, you'll want to select Add People. This option gives you the straightforward access you need to bring new team members on board without any hassle. Once you've opened the Add People menu, you'll need to enter the relevant information about the user you wish to add. Typically, this includes typing in their name, group, or email address. Having their email is particularly useful if they've never interacted with Jira before, or if there are multiple individuals with similar names, as it helps precisely locate and add the correct person to your project. After entering the necessary details, the next step is to assign the appropriate role to the user from the drop-down menu. This is a crucial consideration, as roles determine what actions a user can perform within the project. You have a few options, ranging from member to viewer or even administrator. Carefully consider the level of access each user should have. This helps maintain project security while facilitating effective collaboration. Once you've selected the correct role for your new team member, simply click Add to finalize the process. This last step securely integrates them into the project, enabling all the necessary permissions and settings that you've designated. It's always a good practice to double-check the roles and access you've granted to each member, ensuring everything aligns with your desired team dynamics and workflow. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now adept at managing your team's access to Jira projects. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks.